Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I'm going to create a couple more projects using the All Aboard Christmas kit. This is like a mega kit over at Spellbinders, and to celebrate this kit, Spellbinders is actually having a blog hop and giveaway. So I hope you can join us. If you do, I know quite a few of you had got the kit, and there's tons of inspiration with this kit over there. So with that being said, let's jump in and create a couple cards. I am using some of the ephemera. There's actually 2 packs of die cuts in the All Aboard Christmas kit. There's tons in there. And I chose the one that has kind of the florals with holly and flowers and holly berries. I thought we'd create a couple of Christmas cards that were flower based. How about that? So I have a panel and I'm bringing in my essential rectangle dies. These have dotted detail. The dies that are on the magnet are the ones that cut. These just add dotted detail, and I'm going to create a frame with white cardstock. So I ran that through and you can see my white paper there. It creates some real pretty dotted detail. I also went ahead and adhered some of the red glitter cardstock that was in the kit. I just trimmed it down so it's 4 inches by 5 1/4. You can see it leaves me a little bit of a border on my card base. Now there are a lot of card bases in this kit too. There's 25. That's a good amount. I don't even think I send 25 Christmas cards every year. But you could make all your Christmas cards with this kit. That's how fabulous it is. Okay, I popped up my panel with foam adhesive. Now we're just going to arrange some of our flowers and berries. I like to do this on a frame and always put it like in the bottom corner. So we're going to do a little tucking. The nice thing about these florals are that there's gold accent on them, which makes it really nice. And I love the gold holly leaves that are in here. Just kind of arranging them. For my scent, there's a stamp set that has lots of sentiments in this All Aboard Christmas kit, but I'm going to use some of the stickers. I actually had created a couple of cards using this kit, and I'll link that video at the end if you guys missed it. But I didn't use very much of the kit. There's so much in here, so I thought I would use the gold puffy glitter stickers for my sentiment. So we're going to use lots of gold and red florals today. Just kind of evenly spacing out my holly leaves here, just so it's a little more balanced. And then I have these real pretty green leaves we're going to add, and then last we'll pop up each of our berries and place them with our little florals. Now once I'm happy, I'm going to go ahead, bring in my gold foam stickers here, and for this card we have a little bit of room, so I think we're going to add the word joy, and I'm trying to figure out my spacing. You can kind of twist and turn these and put them any way you want. That's the nice thing about these. And the stickers are no shed, which is nice. The red glitter cardstock does shed, guys, just a forewarning. But I went ahead and placed my joy, and since we have a red background, I thought we would brighten it up using some of the red sequins that came with the kit this month. Actually not this month, it's limited edition kit, I should say. I'm going to add a few, spacing them out just so it kind of ties the red background in with my red florals. And then that is my first card for you guys. Oh, I take that back. I am going to add a little bit of my gold ranger stickles. I'm going to add them to the center of the flowers just to add a little gold sparkle. It kind of coordinates with my joy there. And that is card number 1. We're going to make another quick card using some more of the florals in that second die cut pack. I do want to create a background to put my florals on, so I have a piece of cardstock here. We're going to make a landscape style card for my second card. I did trim down a 3/4 inch strip of the red glitter cardstock, and I'm bringing in a border from the Stacked Decorative Edges die set. I just ran that through my die cutting machine. I'm going to punch out the little pieces that are left. Sometimes it's easier to see when it's flipped over with that glitter, and it die cut beautifully. This is going to go on the very bottom of my panel, and I just used my tape runner to adhere it. And then I also trimmed down a very thin strip of the gold glitter cardstock that was in the kit. It's probably about a 1/16 of an inch strip. This is going to go at the very top. I'm going to trim off the excess here, and then I will pop up this panel and then eventually place this on my card base. And again, I'll use the card bases that were in the kit here. These florals are so pretty with the gold accent. This one we're going to directly adhere to our panel. And then these two, I think we're going to layer together to create a dimensional flower. You can see the leaves that I grabbed. The longer leaf was actually from the larger die cut pack, but layering these together is very easy. And we'll scoot this over a bit so it's a little more balanced. And then I'll take my leaf that doesn't have any gold on it. It's kind of on the longer side. So I'm just going to go ahead and directly adhere that to my card. I'm actually going to break off the bottom two leaves, and I don't mind breaking it off because the end's going to be tucked under there, and then the other two leaves I can use my scissors and separate them. I'm actually going to use them on the opposite end of my florals to add a little green down here. We're going to go ahead and adhere this to our card base, and again I popped that up with my foam tape here. So we're already on our card base now. Okay, we have a couple more leaves we're going to add. Before I commit, I'm going to kind of play around with my placement, and I think that's a good spot there. For these ones, I think we're going to tuck them underneath our flower here. I'm going to add a foam tape at the very top and then tape runner at the very bottom, just so it sticks down real good. Then we'll add some green down here on the bottom. I think this one's my favorite. I love poinsettias, and so this one is just really pretty. Okay, for my sentiment, I'm bringing back my gold foam stickers, and we are going to spell out the word Noel this time. So each of the letters are individual, and you can kind of connect them however you want. So you can see I already did that. Next, I'm going to add a little bit more red, bringing in the red from the bottom up. So we're going to bring some more of those red sequins, and I'm kind of going to create a little cluster in the middle of my flower here. And then after we have this done, I want to bring in a little more gold too. So bringing back my gold stickles, and I'm going to dot the center of the sequins with a little bit of the gold stickles. I think it just ties everything together. And then that finishes off my second project. Second project with the Spellbinders All Aboard Special Edition Christmas Kit. I'll have links down below if you want to join the blog hop. Click on the blog link. It'll take you right to it. I think there's a giveaway to go with this special blog hop. Thanks for stopping by. Have a lovely day. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.